Hey guys, so in today's video I am going to be doing a whole house clean with me, well the main floor anyways, and I am taking down all of my Christmas decorations. I believe this was 3 or 4 days after Christmas, and I like to do it before the new year just because to me once Christmas is over, it's over, and 2019 is fast approaching and it's a brand new start. And as much as I love the Christmas decorations, it always feels good to pack it up, put it away, and get all my spring stuff out again. And it just feels good to be more minimalistic and have everything freshly cleaned, and just, I don't know, it makes my house look bigger too because I don't have as much clutter. So it feels bigger and more airy, and it's just a good way to kick off 2019. This actually took me quite some time because, as you can probably tell, I am 7 months pregnant, and I also have an almost 18-month-old baby girl who likes to follow me around and clean as well. She's my little helper. So this did take me quite some time, but obviously editing, I sped it up for you guys, but it honestly took me like seriously all day. I was really tired and it took me like 2 days to recover, no joke. All of the products that I use in this video are by Method. I get them at Canadian Tire, so if you are Canadian, that is where I found all of the Method products, so thank you to the subscriber who told me that. I'm using the Grapefruit Multi-Purpose Cleaner, and I'm also using the Wood Cleaner, which smells amazing, their Glass Cleaner, and for the bathroom you'll see me using the antibacterial cleaner as well. I love their products and I use them throughout my whole home. I absolutely love them. Let me know in the comments down below when you guys take down your Christmas decorations and pack them away. Do you decorate for Valentine's Day? I usually don't, but I think I'm going to a little bit this year just because Blake is at the age where she can get excited about it, and she gets a little gift basket this year, so I kind of want to do that. Just decorate a little bit, like not go overboard. But let me know in the comments below if you guys do or you just jump right into spring, because I would love to hear what you guys do. If you are new here, thank you for watching this video. I hope that you stay. I am very, very shortly going to have 2 daughters under the age of 2, so that's going to be hectic in itself, but I am super, super excited to meet our second baby girl, and I'm ready for the challenge. I am starting daily vlogging again. I know I'm a little crazy being like 7 months pregnant, but I really enjoy doing it. I do cooking videos with my crock pot and my Instapot and other methods, and I do lots of cleaning videos, and like I said, any toddler related videos, and I'm soon gonna have newborn and 2 under 2 videos. So if you are new here, I hope that you stay and hit that subscribe and like button. And yeah, we're a very positive group of girls here. We're very uplifting and support each other, and it's a positive place to be, so I hope that you stay. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys enjoy the rest of this video and listen to some music, so thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video.